So today we're gonna be doing a unboxing on this Mishimoto 8-inch fan that I bought for my CRX. It's gonna be for the AC fan replacement. And my CRX didn't come with no AC stuff, so I had to do that from the ground up, install the components, and now I was just missing the fan. I didn't want to go with the OEM, wanted something slimmer, so this is what I bought. This is how it comes. Holy crap, this is really small. I was not expecting it this small. And this is the fan right here. This is some mounting brackets right here. And yeah, this is a fan. Holy crap, this is really small. But yeah, this is a slim fan I'm gonna be putting on my CRX for the AC. And we'll make a small video about it. Just show how I'm gonna install it and everything. Where I'm gonna put it on. These little brackets go right here, top and bottom. Hey guys, so today I will be installing, well not installing, but soldering this plug on this Mishimoto 8-inch fan, which will be on my AC condenser. And even though I could just plug this in like this, I'm just gonna do the plug. Should be, you know, might as well since I have it. And since they're the same colors, then we already know which one goes to where. So I'm gonna be cutting these two things off. There it is. And now that easy. Now this one right here. And I will be using this I don't even know how you call these things, but pretty much you apply some heat to it and it has a little soldering ring inside and it melts. See, here's the soldering ring, and this things right here is so water won't go in. So this makes life so much easier. Instead of soldering and everything, just use one of these. You'll see right now. So I'm gonna be using the blue one and just insert it right there all the way. Then grab the wire right here. Just go in like this, pretty much. Then pass this thing right here, just pass it through it. There it is. Now you can use a lighter or a heat gun. I'm gonna use a heat gun on this. And this is how it looks. And if I pull it, see, pulling pretty hard, it's not coming out. And as you can see, there's no way water is gonna go in there, or dirt or anything like that. And the little solder ring, it melted in there. So yep, it's pretty good. See, I like it. Way better than getting all the soldering stuff out and connecting it and whatnot. This is way faster. So now let's do the blue side. Let's get the blue one. Put it in there. Then just go like this. There it is. Pass it through. Just make sure the ring is between the wires, and then use your heat gun or lighter. Once you see that it has melted, just stop and just let it get cold. And this is the end product. I will be installing this fan maybe tomorrow. And like I said, it's an 8-inch. Should work fine. So before we go outside and install the fan, here's the mounting tabs, and they just slide in right there. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a few drops of super glue, because this thing just come off really easy, and it only goes one way. It won't go in the other way. So what I'm gonna do is just put some super glue and leave it to dry. Even though once I put this ones in there, I don't think it's gonna come off, but just to be sure, I'm gonna put some super glue. So I'm gonna put super glue right here, and right here, and right here. And you can put as much as you want. If you want to put a little bit, maybe you'll be able to take it off if you want to later on, but why would I want to take them off? So just put a lot if you want. Yeah, that should be enough right there. And just slide it back in there. And just let it dry. Just come and test it out later, see if it's really glue on there or not. And just make sure you put it on all 4 mounting tabs, or 2. I don't know how many you want to use, but I mean, just use all 4 so the fan won't lift with the wind. You don't have to do this, but I'm doing it just so these things don't come off and then I lose it, and so yeah. So I'm gonna use this small clamp to put some pressure on it so it can stick to it. You don't have to do this. I don't think you need to, but I'm just doing it since I have them outside. And it'll look like this, and just wait a few minutes for it to dry and you're set to go. Today I'm gonna be installing my 8-inch Mishimoto slim fan for my AC, and I will be using the springs provided. Well, actually it didn't come with the kit with the fan. I bought them separately, but I didn't find any videos on YouTube about the springs, so I will be making a how-to, I guess, for installing it with the little springs. So we're gonna be removing these 2 bolts right here on each side, so I can remove this thing off, so we can have space on the other side when I install the fan. My fan's gonna be on the front, but I might need a little bit of space in the back so I can pull and install the springs too. Now that you remove the bolt, just pull it up and put it on the side. As you can see, I cut mine off because I don't need it, so I just cut it off for some more space. And yeah, just put it on the side, wherever it's not gonna bother you. That should be fine right there. Just don't mind my dirtiness. I haven't had a chance to clean the engine bay, which I will be doing soon. So we're gonna install the condenser fan right now, and it's gonna go like this. So this has to go on this side right here. This one against the condenser, and remove the little thing right here. Just remove it. And you're gonna do it like that on all 3 sides. This one is the 4th. Place it where you think is gonna be better for you, or it's gonna cover the whole thing, and then you're just gonna slide it through. And the springs, they go on the other side. So think that's a good fit right here. Oh, came off right there. Just slide this thing through. And just pull it. And leave a little bit of, don't go all the way in, so you can move it when you put the other ones right now. Don't make it all the way in. But that's how it goes, and then I'm gonna show you how the springs goes on this side. So this is how it's gonna look so far for the top ones. I'm about to do the bottom ones, but I won't be able to take video because you won't be able to see. So I think I'll be able to do it from the top, but if I can't, then I'll have to lift the car up and do it from the bottom, but shouldn't be a problem doing it from the top. I think I can get them. Make sure this is even. Put this thing behind right here. On this side right here on the bottom, I'm gonna have to use some pliers because I can't reach it with my hand. So this is the longest pliers I have. If you have some longer ones, it will be better. And just get it right there and pull. If I can do it with this ones, I'm gonna go and see if I can find something different. Oh, there it is. So just pull it, and now you can pull all of them all the way. Now that we got the little rods through the condenser, we're gonna put this padding. So take it off, and the sticky part, it will go towards the condenser. So put it on all 4 of them. Alright guys, so I did something wrong, you could say, but still it'll work. But how it's supposed to be is the little black pieces. It has an adhesive side, so that part is supposed to not be facing towards the condenser but the other side. So on this side right here, the adhesive is supposed to be facing the mounting bracket, and on the other side, the adhesive side is supposed to be facing outside towards the spring that I'm gonna be installing. But I don't think it's gonna be any problem doing it like this. I will make another video if anything happens. So yeah, I did it wrong. My bad guys. They're already on there, so I'm not gonna take everything off. So just remember this. adhesive goes outside on this and on the other side towards the mounting brackets. Now we're gonna install the spring and the locking plate. So how it goes is you put it through the rod, the big side, it goes in like that, and then the locking plate. Just push it in there, and there it is. That's how it goes. And just cut the extra rod, just cut it off. So we're done installing the 8-inch Mishimoto fan, and as you can see, there's clearance. Nothing's gonna be hidden right here. This size is perfect for the little condenser. I think if you would have gone bigger, it wouldn't have fit, or too big for it. So the 8-inch is perfect for it. Yeah, pretty much that's it. Just connect the plug right here. And it's a little bit long, so just kind of use a zip tie or something so it don't touch and melt somewhere. But yeah, that's pretty much the install of it. Now that you're done with the fan install, put this back on right there. Just put it back on. Now that I noticed something, this right here, if I would have not cut it before, it would be hitting on one of the mountings on the spring. So yeah, might have to cut it unless you move the fan more to the right, then it should clear. But yeah, I just noticed right now when I put it on, it's like right there. So if I would have it, it would have hit. Yeah, there's space right there to move it to the right more, so you should not have a problem with that. So you're good. So just remember, before you install the fan, make sure it clears this little, it's a little bar, but I cut it off. So just put your fan to the right as much as you can and it should be good.